from the center. You're gonna let it sit.
Right.
You're gonna lift that, and then this is the easiest way to roll it out. There you go. You see how it's like golden?
Yeah.
You gotta make sure that you have that golden throughout the tree. And then you just flip over again, and then we put the stuff inside it.
Cool. Does it need to be flipping in, or?
Yep.
Alright, so let's see how you did it. Oh, okay. Let's take it off. Okay.
Yeah, it's always easiest to